everyone, welcome. This is a Banana Gents Mark, and today I am going to be showing you my realm for the first time, and this might be a series, I'm not sure. So let's just show you to start off with. I have someone else doing it with me. He can't play at the moment. I'll be introducing him in the next video, fingers crossed. I don't know if I'll be doing one of these videos a week or two. I'll probably be doing one of them as part of my normal upload schedule, and another one just as an additional video, because otherwise I'll just have these two videos and Slow Mo Sunday, and that's it. So yeah, this is Spawnville. So because of course, yeah, it's where we spawn, including the name. We have 4 different villages now, all kind of close together. Jeez, kind of close together. They're not that far away. So yeah, I think I should start off with my house, Jensen's house, but that we now share the house because Chris moved out of that one, and we built this one together. But all the other buildings other than the church, which I just started, are the original village ones. So yeah, I should probably get rid of that now. I put the maps over it. Oh, I can't get to it anyway. Wait, I'll just do this. So this is a map. This is a really zoomed out one. So this is Spawnville, just there. But yeah, Spawnland. So that's Spawnville, yeah. And up there, that's Mushroom Village. And then somewhere over here somewhere, I think it might be there. That's Village 4. And then down over here somewhere, past where the map goes. I added this wall going around so that all mobs inside of the wall are sorry, mobs can't spawn inside the wall because everything has torches, and that's why there's a hole in the bridge, because they can't do double jumps, but can't jump 2 blocks, but we can. So yeah, this is the first room of my house, things where in here everything can be created. That's like it's, and this is the supply room. We've got that is, and upstairs we have, so yeah, along in the village we have the tree farm. So I haven't, these were all planted so that we had birch trees, because there weren't many birch trees to start off with, so we cut down all the oak trees from here and made them. And I'll probably have an oak tree plantation around here as well later on, and do some more terraforming over the next week or half week. And if we go back along to the main village, I'll just show you. So we've got the sheep pen, and then of course down there we had the cartography table. Chickens, before we started really using the original house. Horses, map room, although I got rid of them. Also, just to let you guys know, all the villagers that were here, like, and both of them died because I went swimming for ages. They drowned, which is sad. Let me just check I'm recording yet, because it was only today that they died. So I made this mass grave for them. Callie's one, and this row contains it was these unknown villagers who died early on. She or he, and then also was Ginger. And the graveyard is just off to the side of the church, which I've only just started building. That's that. And then down here, this is where the blast furnace was, but I got rid of it so they could all be in the same room, because I just thought that made more sense. And that is just about it for this video. We've got one small farm, that's it, and then that is also, yeah, we've got a cow pen there. And down here, that was a bit delayed, we have all of the sugar cane. That was just casually a wandering trader who appears to be trapped. Oh yeah, we're not going to get many more now I've built the wall around. Stone cutter. Or I show you the other villages, or both. We need them to make paper, so that we can make maps. It goes all the way down to the very bottom of the world. And yeah, I mean, it's just not I haven't actually been
I will
mining
show
them, have I
you the
now?
mine.
It's just a normal
and then
mine.
that's going to be
nothing.
it for this video. Tomorrow I'll do a bonus video in which
yeah, it's trying to make it quicker to go down because otherwise going down here. So I'm trying to make it so there's floors, so you have 2 blocks of mined out stuff and then 2 blocks, but this one missed it, and then yeah. I can't remember if it's this. I think it's this height. This is the perfect height for diamonds. So I've got loads mined out on. I think this is like the Y7 coordinate or something. That's what I'm guessing.